Hi guys, long time. It's been a while. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you, or I actually just unboxed it, but I have another box to unbox in front of you guys to show you this beautiful solar LED pathway lights that I bought from Costco recently. I just assembled these 4 ones. All right, I wanted to share with you guys how I assemble these, so let's get started. Okay. Alright, let's see what we have inside. So you got 4 heads like this, right? And then the 4 bodies or the sticks here. And then, so we have these 3 things that come inside the box. We have the stick that goes inside or into the soil, into the ground. This is the body that goes here, and then this one goes on top of this. Alright, so I'm going to show you how super easy assembly, or I'm going to show you how I did it earlier. It's so easy. It's the easiest thing you can ever do. Okay. Okay, just tear it apart from the middle. And then what you have to do is there's a plastic that's covered on the solar panel. You have to take that out, and then you have to twist it and make sure you pull this thing as well, and then make sure there's a battery inside. Just cover it, and then just gotta twist the lid again, lock it, and now I take this stick. Let me show you from the side here. Inside like that, and then take this piece and screw it just like that. It is that easy, and then now you can just place it in the ground wherever you want. All right, as simple as that. I just thought of sharing this quick video with you all, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.